Want to make your PDF completely safe and private? In this video, I'll show you how to fully secure your PDF in just 5 easy steps using Systweak PDF Editor. We'll lock the file with a password, block others from copying, editing, or printing, add a digital signature, hide any sensitive information, remove metadata, and finally add a watermark. By the end of this video, your PDF will be 100% secure and ready to share safely. Let's start and see how it's done. Step 1. Password protect and block copying, printing, and editing. Let's first log the PDF with the password. Open your PDF file in Systweak PDF Editor. Once it's open, click on the Secure tab at the top, then select Protect. Here, type and confirm your password. This will be needed every time someone opens the PDF. Click Protect PDF to lock it. Now, to explore more options, click on Advanced Security. From here, you can set two passwords. One to open the file and another to control permissions. You can also block or limit printing, restrict editing, disable text copying. Once done, click Save. Now your PDF is logged and no one can open it without a password and print, edit or copy it without your permission. Step 2. Add a digital signature. Next, let's add a digital signature. Go to the Secure tab and click on Digital Sign. If a quick tutorial pops up, just click OK. Now, drag your mouse on the document to draw the area where you want the signature. You will now see two options to sign your PDF. The first option is Certificate File. Use this if you have a certificate file saved on your computer. Click Browse to upload the file. The second option is Windows Certificate Store. After you select the certificate, you can type the reason, location, and set what others can do with this file, like allow form filling or restrict all changes. Then customize how your signature looks. Show your name, date, or add a border or logo. Once ready, click Sign. Your digital signature is now added and your PDF is secure. Step 3. Redact sensitive information. Do not share your PDF before redacting it. It might still contain personal or confidential data. In Systweak PDF Editor, go to the Secure tab and click Mark Redaction. You'll see two options. Whiteout. It covers the selected area with white. Mark region, it lets you cover it with any color you like. Select the tool, mark the area with the desired color, then click Apply Redaction and confirm with OK. The content will be hidden permanently. You can also use search and redact to find and hide specific words. Save the PDF and your sensitive data is now hidden and safe. Step 4. Remove hidden metadata. Your PDF might contain hidden information like author name or creation date. To remove it, click File, Document Properties to view the metadata. Then go to the Secure tab and click Remove Metadata. Click Yes on the confirmation box and it's gone. Step 5. Add a watermark. To add a watermark, click on Edit at the top and select Watermark. Add watermark. Choose where you want it. All pages, even pages, odd pages, or a specific range. Now type your text, choose its position, font, color, rotation, and opacity. Once done, click Add, then Save. Your watermark is now applied to the PDF. And that's how easily you can secure, sign, and protect your PDFs using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code on your screen or click on the link in the description to download it right now. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.